Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Choose a USB 3.0 or USB-C gigabit adapter for best performance. Check the laptop port type before you buy. A gigabit adapter negotiates up to 1 Gbps and can fall back to 100 Mbps. Look for an adapter with a solid LED link light and a durable RJ45 jack. Use Cat5e or Cat6 cable for reliable connections and speeds. Cat6 supports 1 Gbps up to 100 meters in proper installations. Keep the adapter cable short, ideally under 3 feet for desktop convenience. Plug the adapter into the laptop port and wait for automatic driver installation. If drivers do not install, download the correct driver from the manufacturer website. Connect the Ethernet cable to the adapter and confirm the LED link light. Open network settings to verify the adapter appears as an Ethernet interface. Use DHCP by default or set a static IP like 192, 168, 150 if your network requires it. Verify speed negotiation shows 1 Gbps or 100 Mbps in the adapter status. Test connectivity by pinging your router or loading a web page. If the adapter shows no link, check the Ethernet cable and the LED indicators. Try a different cable and try the adapter on another laptop to isolate the fault. Update or reinstall the adapter driver and consider using a powered USB hub for bus-powered devices. Disable laptop Wi-Fi temporarily to ensure the system uses the wired connection. Adjust MTU to 1500 in advanced settings for typical networks. On Windows, run the Network Troubleshooter. On Mac OS, use Network Preferences. And on Linux, use IP-Link and sudo to manage interfaces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.